riding my scooter. But I'm not going in the trail. That's why I use the scooter. Yeah. See you at the park. See you at the park. We're here at the park to catch some Pokemon, but it's getting windier. A while ago, this morning, it's not that windy. It's windy, but it's not this crazy. It's more crazy this time. So we'll go inside to catch some Pokemon and raid the gym that the two guys are defending. So we'll beat them for now. This time maybe, but we can beat them. We will try. So we'll go inside using this scooter. Now I'm here in the park. I'm in the front. I'm in the entrance. There's a lot of Pokemon, but I already have them. But I'll get them for more candy to hatch the others. Oh, not hatch, to evolve the others. And the two guys are not here, so we'll raid the gym. I think they got all the gym, but we'll raid for the near ones because I don't want to go inside the trail. It's too windy and I don't want it. There's too much tumbleweed flying around in the trail, so I'll just stay here and raid the gym, nearby the gym. Maybe tomorrow is another day to raid the gym, but for now we'll defeat the gym that I was trying to defeat this earlier. So we'll try. Now I defeat the gym. I defeat the players a while ago without any hard up. So even my low CP Pokemon can beat their Pokemon. So I don't believe a while ago my high CP Pokemon is having a hard time, but now the low CP is just easy to kill them. So I don't know, maybe they're healing it, or I don't know, but it's not. It's in the game, so how is it that hard to defeat them? But right now I defeat them. It's no sweat. It's just there, the same Pokemon, the old time same Pokemon, and I defeat them. So that's it. I think I'm gonna go in the other gym, so raid it and just wait here to get some to swipe it again. I'll not go in the middle of this maze, this place, because it's getting windy and dusty there. I don't want it. This is it. We're back here again in the near the entrance. Now I put some module here. I'm just waiting for a good Pokemon to come. I put in the other one. I put again one in the other one, so it will be faster. I think I cannot lure the one that I missed a while ago. It's like this one. You can see it, that one. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow it's another day. My battery's dying, so I think I'll just wait and go back. And this is the end of our journey. Okay, bye. See you next time again. Look at this place. It's dusty and it's windy, and all the tumbleweed in the area where you walk, it's piled up there, somewhere there. By the way, when I was riding a while ago, I stumbled down because of the tumbleweed. I think I need to go because it's too dusty and it's going to my nose. I'm gonna catch this last Pokemon, then I'm gonna go. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, we'll get Skyter, but I already have Skyter. So bye, thanks for watching.